In the stillness of nature, where every step brings clarity, a new day begins with purpose. He walks not just to move ahead, but to reflect and become better than yesterday. From humble beginnings near Sikar to building a strong journey in Jaipur, his story is one of discipline and belief. An MBA by qualification, leading Best Capital Services Limited, supporting businesses across India, from small shops to growing enterprises. With simple and trusted financial solutions, he helps dreams move forward. He also leads a garnet and quartz mining business with operations in Bhilwara and Ajmer, Rajasthan. Deeply connected to his spiritual roots, he believes true strength comes from within. As the founding patron of Hare Krishna Vrindavan Dham, his faith guides every step. For him, life is about gratitude. Moments with family and blessings from places like Vaishno Devi are what truly matter. His journey in Rotary International is not just a journey of roles, but a journey of purpose. It began as a young, passionate member of the Rotary Club Jaipur Royal, where his dedication to service quickly stood out. With commitment and compassion, he rose to become the president of the club, leading with vision, unity and impact. But his journey didn't stop there. As an assistant governor, he mentored clubs, strengthened connections, and expanded Rotary's reach across communities. Actively participating in Rotary International conventions, he embraced global perspectives, bringing back ideas that transformed local impact into lasting change. Through district governor trainings, he prepared himself not just to lead, but to lead with excellence, empathy, and foresight. And today, with the trust and belief of his peers, he rises as the District Governor of District 3056, 2026-27, a leader shaped by service and driven by purpose, guided throughout by his mentor, PDG Dr. Ashok Gupta, whose wisdom continues to illuminate his path. Though he is no longer with us, his guidance continues in every step forward. With Poonam Bagadia by his side, this journey becomes stronger. Together, as proud members of the Arch Clump Society, and carrying this forward is their son Manan. Because service is not just what we do, it is who we are. Presenting District Governor 3056, 2026-27, Arun Bagadia.